Hello and welcome to this WordPress tutorial on WordPress menus. To access the menus region, simply go to Appearance and Menus. And basically this allows you to control the navigation pieces that are on your website. So just to kind of start this off, I've got two navigation regions set up. I've got one for main navigation and one for footer navigation. Here's the demo site I've got set up that houses those two regions. This is the main navigation, this is the footer navigation at the bottom of your site. So the areas you want to basically concentrate on are these left dialog pages. It's very simple to add a tab to either of the navigations. Of course, you have to have the tab activated to be on the right navigation section. So this first panel over here is called Pages. To simply add a page to a navigation section, all you got to do, and you can of course click on one of these options. You can view the most recent pages, you can view all your pages, or you can do a search for your page. Simply typing it in and it'll show up here. You just literally check this box and you hit Add to Menu. Now it's not going to show up live yet until you hit this magic blue button, the Save Menu option. That's going to actually publish it to the web. You also get the ability to edit the individual navigation, the tab settings by clicking this arrow by whatever tab you want to edit. You can change the navigation label. You can add what's called a title attribute. I'll show you what that looks like. Click to go back to home page. You can remove the tab if you decide you don't want to use it, and I'll show you also how to add, and I'm going to hit the Save Menu option. I'm going to show you how to add a sub-tab, and again you can check as many of these boxes as you want. These are the available options for your pages that are inside your WordPress site. Let's just add blog as a sub-tab. You literally will just drag it to the right and that creates it as a sub-navigation tab. We'll show you what that looks like here on the demo site. We only did this for the main navigation, of course. But if you roll over, there's that title attribute I talked to you about earlier. Click back to go to home page, and there's your sub-tab for blog. Simple as that. You want to make it a main tab again, just drag it back to the left. And of course, you can go up and down and rearrange your tabs however you want. Drag and drop. Very simple stuff. So we're going to then veer back to the left here and talk about custom links. These are links, of course, for outside web addresses you want to reference and put it on your navigation. So I'm just going to do a quick one. I'm going to do one for Google, and you can label your tab whatever you want. We're going to just call it Google. It's simple as that. Just add it there, and of course you can label any your WordPress page tabs whatever you want as well, and it won't affect what shows up on the WordPress page. Just your navigation. By default, it'll just pick whatever you've named your page title to. But these custom ones, same options. And one rule of thumb I like to kind of advise you to implement is anytime you add an outside web address on your site, you want to have it open in a new window. That way they keep your site open at all times. By default, you don't get this out of the box. But you can activate the option to allow it to open a new tab by clicking on Screen Options and checking the box for link target. You just saw that open. You check that box, it'll open anytime if you were to click on this new tab we've created in a new window, and I'll show you what that looks like here in the demo site. You click on Google, voila, your site stays open and your outside link is on a new window tab. So that is a quick and dirty tutorial on WordPress menus. I hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to ask any questions. Thank you so much.